Welcome back to Insight. Today, we delve into a crucial topic for electricians, engineers, or anyone dealing with industrial or commercial electrical systems. How to check a three-phase panel board. Whether you are new to the electrical work or looking to refresh your skills, stick around as we break down the process step by step. Before we get started, let's briefly understand three-phase power. Three-phase systems are commonly used in industrial settings due to their efficiency. They consist of three conductors, each carrying an alternating current waveform with a 120-degree phase difference. Today, we will focus on checking a three-phase panel board to ensure it's operating as it should. To begin checking the three-phase panel board, you will need a few essential tools: digital multimeter, insulated gloves and safety glasses, non-contact voltage tester, panel schedule or electrical drawings for reference. Safety is paramount when working with electricity. Always ensure the power is turned off before attempting any checks. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, and if you are not experienced with electrical work, consider seeking guidance from a qualified professional. Now, let's move on to checking the voltage. Follow these steps. Set your multimeter to the AC voltage setting. Confirm the power is off and use the non-contact voltage tester to ensure there is no live current. Place one probe on the L1 phase, another on the L2 phase, and finally the third on the L3 phase. Record the voltage readings for each phase. Repeat the process for phase-to-phase voltage, checking L1 to L2, L2 to L3, and L3 to L1. Balancing loads is crucial for a well-functioning three-phase system. Use your panel schedule or electrical drawings to identify the connected loads on each phase. If you notice significant imbalances, it may be necessary to redistribute the loads for optimal performance. In addition to voltage checks, we should inspect the panel board for any signs of wear, loose connections, or burnt components. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent more significant problems. down the line. And that wraps up our guide on how to check a three-phase panel board. Understanding the health of your electrical systems is crucial for safety and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more electrical tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have questions or suggestions, drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and stay electrified.